We need to simplify this radical down, and the way we're going to do that is to take out as much of this 128 as possible. We have a square root here, so we're looking for groups of 2 in the prime factorization. So 128, I can divide a 2 out of there. Just use a calculator for that. Divided by 2 is 64. So 2 and 64. 64 is 8 and 8. And 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. Now, once again, I've got a square root here, so I'm looking for groups of 2. So I have a group of 2 here, a group of 2 here, and a group of 2 here. And I have 1, 2 remaining. So what this ends up being is 7 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1 for each of these groups. And then with a 2 remaining on the inside. This is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. And root 2. This is also the exact same thing as saying that 128 is 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared times 2. So 7 times, say 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared times 2, which is the same thing as saying 7. We can break up the radical over each of the multiplication terms. And the square root of 2 squared, well, the square root and the square cancel. And we get 7 times 2 times 2 times 2 times root 2, which of course is 56 root 2.